Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be an in-depth explanation about where and having. So I'm going to discuss the difference between where and having. So this is a question which is making a lot of you confused. So I'm going to make this video, I'll try to make this video short and we'll try to explain the basic difference. So let's start with the video. So where and having both are used for filtering of records. Now what does filtering mean? Now for example, when I write select staff from employees, I am selecting all the details from the employees. But when I write select staff from employees where age is greater than 20, so I'm giving a filter. Like I don't want all the details, but I want only the details where age is greater than so and so. So that is filtering. So where and having both are used for filtering, but the basic difference between two is that where is used for filtering at row level and having is used for filtering at group level. Now what this means is row level means individual rows and group level means whenever aggregates are involved, whenever aggregate functions are involved, whenever we are grouping the data, that is, and then we want to filter, then we use filtering. So having clause cannot be used without group by clause in most cases, so just remember it. And we'll see one example where and having is used together in a query, so this will clear your doubts. But before that, let's see these two examples. Okay, now select count sal comma department id from employees group by department id, and I have written a dash over here to to discuss whether we have to write where over here or having. Okay, dash count of sal is greater than 5000. Now what is count? Count is an aggregate function. I hope you all know what are aggregate functions. Count, sum, min, max, all those are aggregate functions. So whenever aggregate function is involved, as I already said over here, whenever grouping is involved, whenever aggregate functions involved, and we are filtering based on aggregate function, then we use having. So here what will come? Having. Okay, now see example number 2. Select staff from employees dash sal is greater than 5000. Here we are filtering based on a single column. Here aggregate function is not involved. Here, as you can see, we have used count. Count is greater than sal. Here we have used aggregate function. Here we are filtering based on groups. But here we are not filtering based on groups, but these are individual row level filtering. So here we will have where. So I hope these two examples have made it clear for you all that whenever we are filtering, so see, this is the two difference. Here we have filtered based on an aggregate function. Grouping is involved and we are filtering based on this grouping, and hence we are using having. But here in this case, here there is no aggregate function. Here we are filtering based on one single column. So your individual row level filtering is happening. So hence we are using where over here. Okay, now let's see this example. Where and having is used together in a query. So let's see this example. Can we use where and having together in a query? Yes, we can, definitely. So look over here. Select count of id comma country from customer where country is not equal to USA. Just see this much query first. Select count of id comma country from customer where country is not equal to USA. Why have we used where over here? Because here we are using country, one single column name we are using over here. Okay, which is why we are using where country is not equal to USA. But as you can see ahead, group by country, then we are grouping it by country. First of all, what we are doing is, we are selecting all these, but we are removing those countries, and we are removing those records where country is USA. So we are removing those, and then we are grouping based on country. So again we are grouping, so India and different countries, we'll group them, and then I am again filtering where count of id is greater than equal to 9. So again all those filtering will happen based on different countries like India and other countries, and after that wherever count is greater than 9, only those will be printed. So whether count is less than 9, those will not be printed. So as you can, so I hope that was clear why we used having over here, because here we are doing filtering based on an aggregate function. Got it? So I hope this definitely helped you guys. So again, I'll just repeat it one last time, that here firstly we are filtering based on row level, where country is not equal to USA. Okay, and after that I want to group them. After that I am grouping them by country, by different countries I will group them, and then I'm again filtering based on that count function. So after that, and hence we are using having over here. So generally whenever you're using where and having together, it is not a rule, but generally first where is used, then group by, and then having. So this is the basic order. So I hope this video helped you guys in some way. So this is the basic difference between where and having. And yes, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And yes, thank you so much.